As conservation is not limited within the political boundary, it goes outside the boundary, and conservation is a continued process. In this line, the initiation for the conservation of red panda in Nepal was mainstreamed in the Red Panda Conservation Action Plan 2019 to 2023 with the goal of protecting and managing red panda population in Nepal. It has identified major 5 objectives, and one of the major objective is related to the transboundary collaboration and cooperation. Because the conservation goes beyond the boundary, as I already told, we have to collaborate and cooperate with different stakeholders and with different nations or states. The program that launched by today's program, this is the celebration of the Red Panda Day. It has also importance in at the trans-border level, because all the stakeholders from among the Red Panda states are collaborating and taking participation in this program. It has importance in 2 aspects. One is to share the good lessons of the red panda conservation in different nations, and other is very important aspect is awareness building among the stakeholders as well as to the local community. We should always think about the local communities for the actions, and we should always seek the cooperation and collaboration from the globes, from all over the global stakeholders. So government of Nepal has also given priority to the multi-stakeholder involvement as well as international collaboration and cooperation for the conservation. However, the more importance is given to the megafaunas like elephants, tigers, or big cats. The small mammals like red panda and other many species, they are not considered important. Sometimes we say if we preserve the ecosystem, all the species will be preserved or conserved. In this aspect, the government has also implemented some landscape approach strategies that identifies the involvement of different stakeholders as well as the understanding between the boundaries or among the transborder countries like India, China, and Nepal. If we work in collaboration, we can truly preserve the biodiversity. And also the government is involved in many international conventions like CBD, Convention on Biological and Diversity, and Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna. These 2 conventions are very important for the conservation of biodiversity at species, ecosystem, and genetic level, and to control the illegal trade in transporter level. So the government has given priority to implement these conventions by developing domestic laws and strategies at the national level. For example, Nepal National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan 2014 to 20 has given priority to preserve the species. So, and it has targeted to develop the species conservation action plans like red panda, tiger, elephants, many other species of flora and fauna both. And we are now doing our conservation activities in line with those conventions. And to control the poaching, especially at the poaching is in the trans-border level, in controlling the poaching activities or illegal trade activities, we have to seek the helps from the other countries or bordering countries. and we need to share the information and to check the illegal activities at the border. So we involve the concerned stakeholders within the country, as well as we are collaborating with the concerned agencies at the trans-border level. And Nepal conducts several trans-border meetings with India and with China at the district level, and also at the national level. And furthermore, Nepal has a memorandum of understanding with the India government and Chinese government to curb the illegal activities that goes beyond the border. And we share the data or informations regularly. Further, some networks like SAWEN, South Asia Wildlife Enforcement Network, that was established in 2011, we work together, especially the South Asian states. In the Red Panda states, we have 5 countries. Among these, 3 countries are within the South Asia region: India, Bhutan, and Nepal. We can share the issues of the red panda conservation in such networks as well. For controlling the poaching activities, we have a good network to work at the national level with the Nepal police. Nepal police is involved in controlling the poaching of wildlife in several districts. We can have a data of confiscation of red panda skins as well. Still, we have threat of poaching of red panda. This part we can control the poaching and illegal trade with collaboration of the stakeholders like Nepal police and Nepali army within our country. And outside the country, we can use such networks like SAWEN or Interpol. Interpol is also helping us to control the illegal activities that are especially the poachers. They have good network and they stay sometimes outside the country. In such cases, Nepal police helps us for checking the illegal activities outside